For W16 patterns, you're going to be making a design with warm and cool colors. Before we get started, I need you to take two pictures. The first picture should contain warm colors. So here I've gathered a collection of objects that are full of colors that I associate with heat or with fire. So we have orange and red and yellow. My second picture contains colors that I associate with water or with ice. So I have blue, light blue, aqua, yellow, green. Next, you'll need to download the template from W16 Patterns and import it into IBIS Paint. Notice there are two designs, one on the left and one on the right, and I've given you 3 pattern shapes in blue. You can use any combination of these shapes to make the designs that you see above. Your challenge for this project is to create the design on the left in warm colors and the design on the right in cool colors. Here's my example of warm colors from the design on the left. You can see that I sampled a little bit of the basket, a little bit of the thread, a little bit of the bucket, and a little bit of the tennis balls to make this design. Here's my example of the design on the right. I've used the cool colors, so I took a sample of the drinking cup for the green, of the little blue bowl for the blue. I guess that's the only two. I got 2 colors in here. The next step is for you to combine the 2 designs together in IBIS Paint to make a wallpaper pattern. Start by opening up a new canvas that is HD size 2048 by 1536. This is the size of your iPad window. After you've saved your designs to your photo album, you can import them into this new canvas. Import each design onto its own layer and then use the transform tool to make them the size you want them to be. For this first project, make sure they're both the same size. Once you've arranged the 2 shapes to fit right next to each other, go ahead and merge them into one layer. Continue copying and merging layers until you fill the entire screen. Make sure that when you use the transform tool, you do not turn or change the size of your layer. You're just using it to move and reposition your different layers. When the entire canvas is filled with your pattern, then you can go ahead and save it as a PNG. Upload this PNG to the W16 Patterns form in order to turn it in. I'll be grading you on the complete wallpaper pattern. As far as setting it up as your own wallpaper on your iPad, I'll leave you guys to figure that out. I think most of you already know how to do it though. If you have any questions, email me or ask me during class.